Good afternoon and welcome to the Good Plates Kitchen. Today we're making country French pate.
Start adding this. I'm just going to add a little bit so you can see. Here we go. It's all in. You can see we're going to put it on like one. Mix this all together. I'm going to scrape the bowl down. I'll be right back. So there is our wonderful, beautiful country chicken liver pate from France. And I'm going to have a bite. That is a small gherkin. These are traditionally served with cornichons, which is a smaller version of a sweet pickle. And I'm going to have one of these lovely little guys right now. I wish we could be here. I'm going to practice this. That is so good. That is amazingly good. Thank you for joining me.
See you next time on The Good Plate.